Before any refinement begins, this is the absolute starting point: raw biological material.
Heavy transport vehicles arrive on site, designed to move tons of raw bone material in a single continuous collection cycle. Hydraulic excavators begin bulk loading, lifting thousands of kilograms at once to prepare the material for large-scale transport.
Tons of untreated bones are loaded directly into industrial carriers, consolidating scattered material into dense, transport-ready volumes.
With containers filled to capacity, the convoy departs, moving vast quantities of raw biological material towards centralized industrial facilities.
The collected bone material reaches a dedicated mega facility, where large-scale industrial transformation will soon begin. Inside the facility, the raw bones are unloaded in bulk, feeding directly into industrial hoppers for continuous mechanical handling. Massive conveyor lines transport the material continuously, creating a steady, automated stream that feeds the next stage of processing. High-capacity washing drums remove soil and impurities, using pressurized water to clean tons of material in a single rotation cycle. Industrial vibrating screens separate unwanted debris, isolating only solid bone material for precise downstream processing. Powerful hydraulic crushers reduce the bones into smaller fragments, increasing surface area and preparing them for efficient extraction processes.
The fragments enter high-speed hammer mills, where repeated impacts grind the material into uniform granules for controlled industrial processing.
Cyclone separators remove fine dust and light particles, isolating dense bone granules to maintain consistent purity for the next stage.
Automated sorting systems scan every kilogram, removing contaminants with sensors and air jets to ensure only pure organic material advances.
Sealed pressure reactors receive the granules, where controlled heat and steam begin breaking down the bone structure for collagen extraction. Inside the reactors, heat and agitation dissolve the hardened matrix, releasing collagen-rich compounds into a concentrated extraction slurry. Powerful pumps transfer the heated slurry through sealed pipelines, maintaining constant temperature and pressure for uninterrupted industrial flow.
Multi-stage filtration removes remaining solids, separating clear collagen solution from residue to achieve consistent industrial-grade purity.
High-speed centrifuges spin the mixture with immense force, separating heavy residues from the purified collagen solution in seconds.
Vacuum evaporators remove excess water, concentrating the collagen solution into a thicker, more potent extract suitable for refinement. Controlled hydrolysis breaks the collagen into smaller peptides, using heat and catalysts to create a form easily absorbed by skincare formulations. Automated systems stabilize the solution, precisely adjusting acidity to create a balanced, safe base for cosmetic-grade refinement. High-pressure membrane filters remove microscopic impurities, producing an ultra-pure collagen extract ready for advanced concentration stages. Ultrafiltration further concentrates the peptides, separating excess water to create a dense, high-value collagen solution for premium formulations. Large-scale blending tanks homogenize the concentrate, maintaining controlled heat while producing a smooth, uniform collagen base for refinement.
Collagen fence. Under controlled vacuum, moisture is gently removed, transforming the liquid concentrate into a thicker.
Industrial extruders compress the collagen gel, shaping it into consistent forms while removing trapped air and stabilizing its structure. Controlled drying tunnels circulate heated air, steadily removing remaining moisture and converting the collagen into a stable, solid form. The dried collagen solid is mechanically broken into flakes, creating uniform pieces suitable for fine grinding and powder production. Precision mills pulverize the flakes into microscopic particles, producing a smooth collagen powder with consistent texture for cosmetic applications. Sealed pneumatic systems transport the fine powder without exposure, preserving purity while moving tons of material efficiently across the plant. Large-capacity silos store the refined powder in bulk, stabilizing supply and ensuring uninterrupted feed for the next processing stages. Automated batching systems measure exact quantities, delivering precise amounts of collagen powder to maintain consistent large-scale formulation. Measured powder is rehydrated in heated vessels, dissolving completely to create a smooth collagen solution ready for cosmetic formulation.
High-shear homogenizers break down particles at microscopic levels, producing a uniform, silky base essential.
Automated dosing systems introduce active ingredients, blending nutrients and extracts into the collagen base to create a complete cosmetic formulation. Controlled heat treatment eliminates microbial risks, ensuring the formulation remains safe, stable, and compliant with cosmetic manufacturing standards. Vacuum chambers extract trapped air, removing microbubbles to create a dense, smooth cream with improved stability and texture.
Kiwamuti audio contains a voiceover narration. The voice says, "Final stage filtration removes
Large holding tanks allow the formulation to stabilize, carefully controlling temperature and viscosity to achieve consistent texture before finishing. Inline mixers maintain continuous homogeneity, ensuring every liter of cream matches the same texture, density, and formulation quality. Sanitary pumps transfer the finished base through sealed lines, protecting purity while delivering a continuous supply for packaging operations. Final sterilization safeguards the formulation, eliminating residual microorganisms and ensuring the cream meets strict hygiene standards before filling. Large buffer tanks temporarily store the sterile cream, balancing production flow and maintaining a constant supply for the high-speed filling lines. The stabilized cream is routed directly to automated filling systems, preparing for continuous packaging at massive industrial speed. Inside this massive vacuum chamber, trapped air is removed from the cream, creating a dense, smooth texture required for premium skincare quality.
High-pressure homogenizers crush and blend the formula at microscopic scale, ensuring a perfectly smooth, stable, and luxurious consistency.
Multi-stage filtration removes microscopic particles and residues, refining the cream to pharmaceutical-grade purity for safe skin application. Temperature-controlled reactors stabilize the formulation, carefully heating and cooling the cream to achieve consistent viscosity and long-term stability. Precision dosing systems add active ingredients in exact proportions, guaranteeing consistent performance and identical quality in every batch.
High-shear emulsifiers force the ingredients together at extreme speed, permanently bonding oil and water into a stable, silky skincare base.
Viscosity conditioning systems fine-tune the cream's thickness, ensuring a rich, luxurious texture that spreads smoothly on the skin. Continuous thermal sterilization eliminates bacteria and microbes, protecting the cream and ensuring pharmaceutical-grade safety at industrial scale. After sterilization, the product is rapidly cooled to lock in stability, preserving texture and protecting sensitive skincare ingredients. The fully processed cream is transferred into sterile bulk holding tanks, stabilizing massive volumes before final refinement and finishing operations. In this refinement stage, the stabilized cream undergoes microblending, polishing its texture to achieve an
Highly concentrated fragrances and active compounds are injected with microscopic precision, enhancing
texture. Polishing systems gently refine the cream's microstructure, delivering the flawless smoothness expected from luxury skincare products.
Sanitary transfer pumps move the finished cream through sealed pipelines, maintaining sterility while feeding enormous volumes toward the final finishing stage.
Automated sampling systems continuously analyze the formula, verifying composition, texture, and purity without interrupting large-scale production. High-capacity piston fillers dispense exact doses into each container, maintaining speed, precision, and consistency across thousands of units every minute. Robotic capping systems position and secure each lid instantly, protecting the cream while maintaining strict hygiene at industrial speed. Production sealing bonds a protective liner to every jar, creating a tamper-proof barrier that preserves freshness and ensures product safety. High-speed applicators attach branded labels with millimeter accuracy, transforming each container into a finished luxury retail product. Before inspection, every container is polished and cleaned, ensuring a pristine finish that meets the standards of high-end cosmetic presentation. Finished products undergo mechanical and environmental stress tests, confirming durability, seal integrity, and performance under real-world conditions. Advanced vision systems inspect every jar from all angles, rejecting even the smallest imperfection to maintain strict luxury standards. Each batch is chemical analyzed for pH balance, stability, and purity, ensuring the formula meets pharmaceutical-grade skincare standards.
Each container is weighed individually to verify exact fill levels, guaranteeing consistent quantity and eliminating underfilled or overfilled products.
Pressure and vacuum tests verify every seal is completely airtight, protecting the cream from contamination throughout storage and transport.
Microbiological testing confirms the cream is completely sterile, preventing contamination and ensuring absolute safety for consumer use. Products are exposed to extreme heat, cold, and vibration to simulate real-world transport conditions and guarantee long-term stability. Accelerated aging tests simulate months and years of storage, ensuring the cream maintains texture, color, and effectiveness throughout its entire shelf life.
Every glance. Every product is digitally coded and logged, creating full traceability from raw materials to retail shelves. Every product is digitally coded and logged, creating full traceability from raw materials to retail shelves.
After passing every test, only flawless products clear the final quality gate, ready to enter the packaging and distribution phase.
Approved jars are automatically inserted into branded retail cartons, protecting the product while preparing it for large-scale distribution.
High-speed case packers group individual boxes into strong shipping cartons, securing them for safe transport through the supply chain.
Robotic palletizers stack and secure cases into stable loads, preparing massive quantities for efficient storage and transportation.
Finished products are stored inside a fully automated warehouse, where intelligent systems manage inventory and prepare orders for global distribution.
From raw materials to precision processing, testing, and packaging, millions of units leave the factory every day.
After leaving the factory, the products arrive at stores around the world. Carefully packaged and sealed, each jar waits to be chosen. From production line to purchase försäljning, the journey reaches the customer.
Ready to be used for daily skincare.
From massive industrial machines to a simple moment of care, technology, precision, and science, all for healthier skin.